Hello dear students, welcome to another video on the topic pronouns. So here today we are going to discuss the exercise from your textbook Grammar Magic pronoun chapter. So now let's see and do the exercise. So students, before we do the exercise, let's just see the chart that we have learned in the previous video also, the pronoun chart. So in this chapter we learn about pronoun. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that we use in place of noun. Why do we need them? We need them because we need them to avoid the repetitions of the same noun. So when we repeat the same noun again and again, then the sentence and when we write a sentence and read it, it becomes complicated. So to make it simple, we use pronoun in place of noun to avoid the repetition. So there we also learned that there are three types of pronoun. There can be more than three pronouns are there. But here we are going to learn personal pronoun, possessive pronoun. So only till personal pronoun and possessive pronouns are given in your book. But here in the chart, I have added reflexive pronoun. This one we are going to learn in the next class, that is in class 2. Okay, so personal pronoun. Coming back to personal pronoun, when we say personal pronoun, it indicates or it refers to the three person. First, second and third person. And they have two forms, that is singular form and plural form. And personal pronouns talk about subject, object and possessive. That is subject and object. To understand what is subject and object, we discuss about subject and predicate. The naming part is a subject and the telling part or the doing part is a object in a sentence. So, and possessive tell us about when what someone or somebody owns. Okay, that something or someone belongs to somebody. So first we are going to see the subject and object pronoun and do the exercise on that. So first we are going to see the chart again. So first person singular, I, me, my, mine and myself is a reflexive pronoun. So this one you need not have to memorize it now, but the rest of this still possessive pronoun you have to remember the pronoun. So plural, we, us, ours. Singular, second person, you, yours. Plural also the same, you, yours. Then third person singular male, he, his, him. Third person female, she, her, hers. Then neuter. Neuter means not as female, not a male. Okay? The things that it refers to name of things and animals. So neuter, it, its. Then plural we have they, them and theirs. So this is about the pronoun chart. Now let's go to the next slide and see the exercise from your textbook. That's Grammar Magic book, page number 32 and 33. Okay, so this is page number 32 from your Grammar Magic book, where we are going to do the exercise number A. So, circle the pronouns in the following sentences. One has been done for you. So, in the previous video, we discussed about the pronouns. Okay, what are the different types of pronouns? What are the pronouns that we use for subject and object? So, here we will underline all the pronouns. So, the boy was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere. So, the boy and he. So, this is a subject pronoun. So, he is a pronoun here. This basket has many mangoes. They are very sweet. They, it refers to the mangoes. So, this is also a pronoun. Pretty has gone out. She will be back in a few minutes. So here she is a pronoun because pretty is a girl. This bag is very useful. It has so many pockets. So it Bag. Bag is a non-living thing, so it refers to the things. So we are going to use the pronoun it for the word, the noun, this bag. Number 5. The stories in these books are short. I like them. I is a pronoun. Father bought a new car. It is green in color. So now let's check more question in the next slide. Let's see number 7 and find a plural here. Some boys found a nest. They found 5 eggs in it. Boys, it refers to boys. Boys is a plural. Some boys. So they. We are using for plural noun. We are using they. Jane and I went to the park. Now Jane and I are two persons. So we are going to use we. They are plural. So we had great fun there. We is a pronoun. Raghav came home early today. Later he went to see a film. So he is used for the pronoun Raghav. Noun Raghav. Then number 10. I saw a man crossing the road. He was very old. So I here is a pronoun. He is also a pronoun. Okay, so this is exercise number A. Now let's see number B. Raman went to Manali with his family for his holiday. From there, he wrote a letter to his friend Gagan. Help him complete the letter. So this is a letter written by Raman to his friend Gagan. So here we will add some pronoun to complete the letter. So it goes like this. How are you? So we are having a great time here. Manali is a very beautiful. There are mountains everywhere. My father loved it here. So fathers, then he talk about his father, then we are going to use he. Father is a male person, so we are going to pronoun he. He has taken many photographs of the hills. Mother says the apples here are very tasty. Now he talks about his mother. Mother is a female, so she plans to buy a whole box when we leave from here. Why we? Because he went to the holiday with his family, not alone. So we, they are plural in number. Samita loves the rabbit. Samita is the name of a girl. She is a sister of Raman. She keeps asking the owners to let her carry it. Okay, to carry it. So it because the rabbit refers to animals. Then the owners Mr. and Mrs. Gupta are very kind. Now Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, they are plural, so they allow her to play with the rabbits every day. One of the rabbit is especially friendly. It loves to eat carrot. I like to go hiking up the mountains. Wish you were here. We could do so many things together. Love, Raman. So here in this letter, Raman narrated about what they are doing in the holiday, about Manali. He is telling about Manali to his friend Gagan. So with the help of pronouns, we completed this letter. Okay. So children, that's all for today. You write down this exercise number A and B in your textbook. Take a note and write it down. Okay. When we have a live class, then I will ask you to upload this. Now it's just in a video. We are having a video here, video tutorial. So here you just take a note, write it down in your textbook. Then when we will have a live class, we are going to ask you to submit this. Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet again in another video. There we will discuss more exercise. Okay. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.